Hi guys, I've been working on a few things here that we discussed. Just going to start out with a sample job here. CV, plist, parts list, and then CV Pro project. You can use whatever name you want. This is just for a test. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple things in here that we're working on that we discussed. I had made just a test of a double hung. All I did was take out the clothes so I could see what I was doing a little better. So this cabinet name is test. Okay, minus the clothes, this is your standard double hung in 12 by 48. What we're going to do is I've added a couple of things here. Closet rod required. This will give you the ability to add multiple closet rods and put in the supports graphically. I made that in SketchUp. It applies to both whatever openings are there with hanging rods in them. This is the steel. I'm not saying you're going to use it on this cabinet, but what it does is puts in. You have to put a double because there's another shelf on here. And what that does is put the steel and the closet rod and the hanging supports in there. You can see the drills up into the top for the support to go up in there, drills up into the thick shelf. That's that part of it. Another thing, at the main level, the floor planner elevations, there'll be two job parameters, barcode on and off. I have the internal part name attached to the description of the cabinet or the name of the part. So what this does is the first number would be the cabinet number, the second would be the internal part name or internal part number, 24 for finished end, 27, 28, 29. And over in the comment field it's the same numbers, and then after the 24 is just 100 to make the barcode longer. You would send that to the report level for your installers to load a truck. What this will do, give them the ability to scan um, each part as they load it on the truck and check it off if they have it or not. The barcode on and off would be when you send it to the machine. Um, what it does is add the multiplication signs to the beginning and end. So when you print your label at Cut-Rite, it will be at a barcode format, and it will the program that I found to do the part checking, or it can do inventory. It's quite a little program there. This other one's for machine ends. So when you want to make a complete outline to uh, the outside of a part, the rounded edge that I showed you, that's that route there. So that takes care of that. So when we go into the report center, we have a report. I'll rename it so you know what it is. What this does is these are the job names, the project right here, which would be uh, your customer job name. This one could be whatever you want it to be. Um, this is the cabinet, the width, the length, and the height, price if you had any, and then the ID tag, which will be the barcode. But in this case, I gotta switch it off here. To send it to the report level, this has got to be off. To send it to the machine, it would be on. So we'll go back to the report center, go back to that report, and this ID tag is where the inventory program will classify it according to the barcode, which will be on the part. So what we do is we just export this to make it a CSV file. Open it up in Access, and from there we'll be able to name it a CSV file. And we just press OK. This will open up Access, or I mean Excel. Sorry. And this will give us all those fields. From here we just rename it, save as, save it to my desktop, or what we'll do is make a file for each one. We'll drop down the list here, we'll make it a CSV file, comma delimited, and then call it a CD. Had some samples in here, we'll call it a 6. We'll change this to a 7. So this is the 7 test, save. And that takes care of it. You just open it up, and you can either do it from a cloud and it'll go to each iPad, or you open it up here in iTunes, you can directly link it. If not, the CSV files will work with a barcode scanner. It needs to be a key wedge, but the only thing is you would need a computer to link it to. Wireless barcode scanners can be kind of expensive. Actually, I don't have my iPad mini hooked up here set for that. But I'll make another video showing that. I can't screencast the app, but you can probably download the test trial version, and you can open it up and see how it works for you. That's about it. Just showing you what I was working on. Just about done with all those UCSs that put in the steel rod, and I'm just going to get them copy paste for multiple openings and close up the parameters. That's about it.